Have you ever dreamed of living in a cozy, minimalist space that's big on charm but small on square footage? Well, in today's video, we're diving into the world of tiny houses and showcasing the top 10 options that you can buy right now. From sleek and modern designs to rustic cabins nestled in nature, there's something for everyone in this diverse lineup. So sit back, relax, and get ready to be inspired as we take you on a tour of the 10 best tiny houses on the market. Let's get started. In a world where bigger used to mean better, there's a quiet revolution happening. Tiny houses are taking the stage, becoming not just a trend, but a lifestyle choice for many. These pint-sized dwellings pack a punch, offering comfort, functionality, and affordability in a compact package. With clever design and utilization of space, tiny houses offer all the comforts of a traditional home without the hefty price tag or ecological footprint. From cozy lofts to ingenious storage solutions, these diminutive abodes are redefining the notion of home sweet home, proving that less truly can be more when it comes to modern living. Whether you're yearning for adventure or just need a home base, tiny houses have got you covered. However, before you dive in, make sure to double-check local rules and regulations. It's important to know exactly what you're getting, from insulation to flooring, so you can customize your tiny home just the way you want it. And the best part? You can order one online and have it delivered to your doorstep in as little as 2 weeks, turning your dreams into reality in no time. So let's jump to the list. Number 10. Outdoor living today. Penthouse garden shed with French doors and cedar wood. Price, $7,654 at Wayfair. Explore the endless possibilities with the 9-foot by 9-foot penthouse garden shed, which is far more than just a storage space. This elegant 5-sided structure is perfect as an outdoor dining room, a chic poolside cabana, or a delightful backyard haven for both adults and children. Crafted from western red cedar, renowned for its durability and resistance to the elements, this shed ensures longevity and maintains its allure in your garden. Assembling the penthouse is a breeze thanks to its panelized pieces, which eliminate the need for time-consuming and hazardous cutting. Please note, this shed does not include a bathroom. The kit comes complete with everything you need to enhance its functionality and appeal. A charming flower box, sturdy shingles, 2 windows for natural light, double doors for easy access, and a robust floor. Make your outdoor space a standout feature with this versatile and stylish garden shed. Number 9. The Getaway Tiny House. Price $33,000 at Home Depot. Discover the charm of compact living with this versatile 325 square foot tiny home. This cleverly designed house can be divided into distinct areas, so you don't feel like you're in a studio apartment. Personalize it by choosing your favorite doors, windows, and all the necessary finishes like electrical and plumbing. Begin with a sturdy steel frame kit, and consider enhancing it with an optional deck and flooring system for a splendid outdoor space. Just remember to check with local authorities for approvals before adding these upgrades. Number 8. Rose Cottage. $32,000 at House Depot. This 444 square foot, 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom steel frame kit is perfect for any living situation. From a cozy main home to a creative studio, Airbnb rental, or even a pool cabana. Designed for both beauty and durability, the Rose Cottage stands strong against severe weather and earthquakes, offering a smarter alternative to traditional wood construction. The kit is DIY friendly, designed for easy assembly, whether you're putting it together yourself or hiring contractors. This package includes the steel frame only, with options available to add a weatherproofing dry-in kit, which comes with exterior doors, windows, roofing, and siding. Please remember, the concrete slab, utilities, and interior finishes need to be provided by the customer. Number 7. Bunkhouse Cedar Shed Wood Storage Shed. Price $8,372 at Wayfair. Transform your backyard with Cedar Shed's charming prefab storage sheds, crafted for simplicity and style. These compact sheds feature standard wood walls and door panels, making them incredibly easy to install and customize. Choose the perfect spots for your windows and doors to suit your space and needs. Each kit includes everything you need to get started: a flower box for a touch of greenery, ventilation for airflow, shutters to enhance your shed's look, pre-shingled roof panels for quick assembly, 2 fixed windows, a sturdy single door, and a secure door lock. The foundation and floor are also a part of the package, ensuring a solid base for your shed. Built from 100% Western red cedar, these sheds not only offer exceptional durability and natural resistance to the elements, but also provide a beautiful rustic finish that enhances any outdoor space. Number 6. Duramax Insulated Flat Roof Building. Price $5,399 at Amazon. This small house is big inside and keeps the temperature just right all year round. When it's cold outside, it stays warm, and when it's hot, it stays cool. The roof is slanted, so rain slides off easily into the gutters. This design also makes it strong enough to handle lots of snow without falling down. It can hold up to 30 pounds of snow per square foot. So even if the weather gets rough, you'll feel safe and snug inside this cozy home. It's got plenty of space inside and a smart layout, making it the perfect place to live no matter what's happening outside. Number 5. Shed for storage at Cedar Shed Beach House. Wayfair, $6,063. This beach house style fabricated kit comes with 6 awning style windows, allowing a refreshing breeze to flow through. You also have the option to grow herbs or plant your favorite flowers in the flower boxes attached to each window, adding a touch of greenery and beauty to your space. Whether you're looking for a cozy tiny home or a convenient backyard storage shed, this versatile kit offers both options, catering to your specific needs and preferences. So whether you're enjoying the seaside vibes or organizing your outdoor space, this kit has you covered with its functional design and aesthetic appeal. Number 4. Best Barns Inc. Arlington Wood Storage Shed Kit. Price $9,285 at Amazon, $9,101 at Walmart. This lovely house has a classic design with a large gable window that adds charm. Unlike most tiny houses, it has a second floor with enough space for standing, about 4 to 6 feet high. This loft area can be used for various purposes. To enhance the indoor-outdoor experience, you could consider adding a patio beside the house and installing double doors that open onto it. This way, you can enjoy the fresh air and sunlight while still feeling connected to the indoors. So if you want the coziness of a tiny house, but with a bit more room and a suburban vibe, this could be the perfect option for you. Number 3. Windamir Storage Shed by Handy Home. Price $3,430 at Wayfair. Elevate your backyard with the Windamir Wood Shed Kit, a masterpiece of contemporary design and functionality. Standing tall at 10 feet with 7-foot-high sidewalls, this premium storage shed combines architectural flair with practical features. Its engineered wood siding is treated to resist decay and pests, while sturdy 2x4 wood framing ensures robust structure from ground to peak. The spacious double doors, accented with transom windows, are secured on galvanized steel hinges to prevent sagging and maintain alignment. Beyond mere storage, the Windamir offers a whopping 1,018 cubic feet of space, ideal for anything from a recreational retreat to a creative workspace or a personal sanctuary. It comes complete with a treated wood floor, a suite of stylish windows, and an appearance and organization package. Safety is also a priority, featuring a keyed locking handle for security. Number 2. The Best Barns at Camp Reynolds. Price $19,847 at Home Depot. Unleash your inner builder with the Camp Reynolds DIY kit, featuring 2 spacious floors perfect for storage or work. This kit includes a charming 20-foot-long dormer on the gambrel roof and comes with 4 insulated windows, complete with shutters you can paint any color. The kit offers flexible installation options for the staircase and main entry door, allowing you to tailor the space to your liking. Additional windows and doors can be added as you build. The structure's walls are constructed with sturdy 2x4s, and the roof is supported by 2x6 trusses. Remember, the siding is primed and ready for painting, but you'll need to buy the paint, shingles, or metal roofing separately. Before diving in, make sure to check with your local permit authority. Get ready to make this versatile building your own, with delivery right to your curbside. And the final, number 1, Bastogne Mobile Expandable Prefab Home. Price $15,000 at Amazon. This small house is bigger than most shipping container style homes, but the cool thing about it is that it can change shape. It can go from having just 1 bedroom and bathroom to having 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. Plus, it even has a living room and a kitchen area. So it's like a tiny house that can magically become bigger when you need it to. And that's all for now. Thanks for tuning in to explore the 10 best tiny houses you can buy. Hopefully you found your suitable option in these incredible tiny home designs. Remember, living small doesn't mean sacrificing comfort or style. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with fellow tiny house enthusiasts. Until next time, happy tiny living!